Ethan! Down here! You can shoot him over this hill. Lachlan, here. Bring here, boy. Bring here. Alright. Launch the grenade when I tell you to. I can't believe we got trapped in the middle of this. At least we got this Colonel's gun and we got a grenade launcher, okay? I think we can hold off. Watch out for bird poop attacks, alright? If they fall, make a break for it because this foxhole, this hill, whatever we're in right now won't protect us, alright? Alright, Lachlan can retrieve the bullets. We've only got 3, we have to make them last. Come on, Lachlan! Go! Watch out! Come on! Come on, get back here! Alright. Go, Lachlan, go! Alright, I hit 2 of them, Ethan. Bring it here, come on! Oh, that's really stinky bird poop. Really stinky, Ethan. Fire the grenade! Go! There's a big flock of them. Nice! You took out at least 30. Good job. Come on, Lachlan.
Wow, I didn't know you could retrieve an explosive.
I know.
Lachlan's amazing.
Wait for it. Go, Lachlan, go! 3 more. Yes. Crap. Ethan. Enemy artillery overhead. Run! Go! Come on, let's go. Driving in that foxhole now. Ethan, fire grenade. Go. Nice.
The whole flock.
Go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Go. Bring it here, Lachlan. Come on, hurry. All right, I'm gonna have to fire a second. Bring it here, come on. Fire the grenade, Ethan. Fire it.
Reloading.
All right, bring it here, come on, Lachlan, bring it here, come on. We haven't got much time. Oh, Ethan, wait a second. Go. I have to fire a second one. Go. Lachlan's in trouble, Ethan. I gotta go. I gotta save him.
What are you talking about?
Let's go, Lachlan. Go. We gotta hit fire for it. Go. Okay, looks like Lachlan's got the getaway car ready. You ready to get out of here?
Amen.
Alright, let's get out of here. Hop on the back, buddy. You stay, Lachlan. Guys, that is it for us this video. We hope you all enjoyed it. Bird War Part 2. It's a little different than the last one, but I hope you all enjoyed it all the same. But that is it for us this video. We will see you all in the next one. Bye!